Our previous two videos covering the summer 2016 ZRS software update covered the new views and functionality enhancements, respectively. Now we'll dive into the third category of enhancements made in this release. Enhancements made to screening, ZAX link to Excel, and the ZAX portfolio monitor. We'll begin with the screening. In screening, we've added a new database labeled EXSC. This is the standardized consensus estimates database, which contains calendar year estimates for EBITDA, EBITDA margins, EBIT, pre-tax income, and cash flow per share. Also to the screener, we've added dozens of new screening strategies. These screens are categorized into folders. Simply open a folder and select the screen you'd like to run, like this classic ROE-based strategy developed by Joel Greenblatt. To run the screen, simply hit the Query button. We've also added a new feature that allows you to easily plug these screening results into the ZRS ticker symbol monitor. To do this, simply right-click anywhere in this report, and then select Assign Ticker List to ZRS. The ZRS symbol monitor dropdown will now contain all of the tickers that just passed the screen that we ran. Now let's say you'd like to sort this ticker list. Simply right-click inside of the ticker box, go to Sort List By, and then select the desired ordering. The drop-down menu of tickers will then automatically be ordered accordingly. We've also added benchmarks to our list of composites. Particularly, we've added the S&P 100, both equal weight and market weight. Simply enter SP1M for the S&P 100 market cap weighted, or enter in SP1E for the equal weighted. For the traditional S&P 500 index, we've also added the ticker symbol SPX. To our performance attribution reporting, which falls within our ZAX portfolio monitor piece, we've added a number of new features. We've added a new table that lists out the relative return and the total stock effect, both at the individual stock level. This measures the difference in return between your portfolio and the benchmark for each individual holding. This makes it very simple and easy to see which stocks are contributing to alpha and which are not. Also within performance attribution reporting, you actually have the flexibility to attribute your portfolio returns to a variety of items. While sector attribution is the most common, you can also run it based on market cap, valuation, leverage, or any growth ratio. You can set the number of baskets that you like and then define the breakpoints for each basket. This makes it very simple and easy to see which stocks fall into which baskets and which baskets are performing. Also, you can select which reports you'd like to see on the output report. Sometimes if you'd just like to see the bottom line attribution table, you can uncheck most of these reports here and only keep the one that you'd like to see. Occasionally, you'll have a stock in your portfolio that has a negative value, such as a negative PE or price to book. So the one enhancement that we've made here is that ZPM now gives you the option of excluding negative values from the sector averages or portfolio average. To the benchmarks, we've actually also added the S&P 500 equal weight as well as a Russell 1000 equal weight. Also, among the best additions that we've made to the software update is the characteristic comparison report. This single view neatly presents all key financial ratios of the portfolio versus the benchmark in an easy-to-read and simple format. This report is also customizable based on your preferences. This sums up the enhancements made to the ZRS research system for the summer of 2016. These and many other software enhancements are thanks to the feedback provided to us by portfolio managers, analysts, and also market strategists who actively use ZRS to assist their daily workflow. If you have feedback on how we can improve the usability and/or the analytic capability of the ZRS platform, we'd love to hear from you. Feel free to contact your ZRS account manager or sales representative with tips or for additional support to review any of these enhancements highlighted in these videos. We hope to continue to add value to your daily workflow.